Okay, so the bad boy did his job, and we're about to see what happened here inside the doghouse. Oh, look at that. Nice and clean. You can almost lick the floors. Yep, much better. Much better. Oh yeah, look at that. I got a straw in here. A grass straw. Get it out of there. And that's what it looks like after the bad boy has been added. Yep. Now the puppy's gonna be nice and clean again. So they can go at it one more time. And then we can do it all over again tonight and in the morning. Yep, we gotta figure out a better solution for this. It's a little bit easier to maintain. But here they are. Here they are. Here's Daisy. Here she is. Hi, Daisy. I guess that makes it all worthwhile. I guess that makes it all worthwhile. Hey, guys. What you doing in there? What you doing in the crate? That's your daddy's crate. Yeah, Zeus got trained to potty trained in that crate. You getting some water? Hey, Violet. Hey, Violet. Hi. Hi. Hi, little guys. Hey, little guys. Hey, little fellows.